Hey, I just wanted to give you all a quick update on the channel. This is not a video as such. This is more just here's what's happening. So as you may or may not have noticed, the last 6 weeks of videos were all recorded in one go. And they were staggered out. And that is because my shoot schedule has become such that I just wouldn't have had time in those last 6 weeks to sit down and do something like this. Now, going forward, things are going to be slightly different. I'm still aiming for 2 videos a week, but accepting 1 video a week as a probability because we've had some big jobs come in. And I obviously have to prioritize those because that's what makes me my money. Now, the 2 videos a week, there'll always be at least one talking to camera thing, but I want to try and do some additional bits as well. And there'll be short videos of me doing stuff rather than just explaining stuff. So expect there to be either a business video or a review video and then maybe something cool now and again. However, what I do want to start doing is using a Patreon account, and that is so that I can produce some longer form videos for people at an affordable price. Because although I could probably charge $500–700 for workshops and things, that is out of most people's price range. And the way that I came into photography, I didn't have that amount of money. So I'm trying to find ways which are both affordable for everybody, but also financially viable for me. And one of the things I want to start doing with this Patreon is producing a shot a month where I teach you how to do something via taking a photograph myself. And this will be like a full detailed recording, and there'll be hopefully a few extra perks thrown in there as well. That is basically for the price of a pint of beer in London. So for £5, you can join the Patreon, support me creating these videos. Obviously, at the start, it's going to be a huge loss leader for me, but hopefully eventually we get to a point where I can actually afford to put the time aside and continually recreate these. So I'm going to pop a link to that in the description and in the chat below, just so you're aware. Now, Moggy and I, come here, Max. Moggy and I have just finished a rather large campaign, and there'll be a video out about that soon. We can't talk about the campaign, but we're going to do some videos on what we did, how we did it, how we prepared for it, how we managed a sort of 2-week-long shoot, and all that good sort of stuff. And then over the Christmas break, we've got a new workshop coming out, and that's just going to be a little bit of a get yourselves ready for 2022. Make sure you've got everything in place. We've also got an interview with my agent on there and loads of business advice. So we're going to be kept busy. But yeah, in the meantime, I just want to thank everyone for continually watching the videos, especially whilst I've not been there in the comments and whilst I've not been around as much. It's been really nice to get back from work and just see that the world still ticks on, isn't it, Moggs? So yeah, maybe we'll have some more Moggy videos as well.